Hey travelers, today I want to take you on a tour of the Piazza Hotel. This is located in Johannesburg in the suburb of Sandton and inside of the Montecasino complex. It's a lovely hotel. The bed was very comfortable, queen size bed mind you, not a king. But also, just a great location. So let's take a look at the room, and then afterwards I'm going to show you the casino complex, and that alone is worth the price of admission. You want to stay tuned for that because it is absolutely gorgeous. But let's check out the room. Okay, so this is a basic room at the Piazza Hotel in the Montecasino complex. The rooms are pretty basic. They're a typical Sogo-san product, and there's not much to it. This is, you kind of are seeing most of the room actually right now. To my right, at the foot of the bed, there is a shower. Oh, nope, that's a toilet. All right. So, it's not super private, but it's not unlike a lot of hotels in Mexico these days. Oh, lovely little water glasses, a little wash basin, and then you have the shower area. It's quite nice. TV, desk area. So you've got one chair. A view of the parkade. Nothing too sexy over there. And then you got a couple of side tables on the plugins. We have, looks like what would work for North America as well as South African and maybe even European, but no USBs. So just bear that in mind. And then this side is just European, but possibly also North American. And then you've got a little mini fridge, coffee area, and a safe, and then this is storage, I think. Oh, you've got a little bit of shelving area. There you go. Okay, so another fun fact about the hotel is that they have both non-smoking rooms and they also have smoking rooms. So throw your head back around that one about 20 years ago for North Americans watching this video. So if you are booking an Expedia special or a booking.com room, then you're going to want to specify, because generally speaking, it's just a standard room. And you're going to want to contact the hotel and make sure that you either have a non-smoking room, because if you're a non-smoker, you don't want to be in a smoking room or somewhere where people have puffed up for the last 24 hours. And if you are a smoker, then I guess treats for you, because you get to smoke in your room. And there are no rooms with king beds. There's no rooms with 2 beds, but there is air conditioning in here, and it's quiet and it seems quite functional. So, aside from the close quarters of the room, it seems to be reasonably functional for a short-term stay. Okay, so you've seen what the room looks like, but now I want to show you the complex. So from looking down from the hotel over into the plaza, you can see, there's beautiful shops and restaurants available, and they're all right there. In this plaza, there are about 4 or 5 different restaurants of varying different menus, from Portuguese to steakhouse and kind of everything in between. And at night, it lights up with the water feature, and it's really quite pretty. What struck me the most is the overall look and theme of the casino. From the outside through to the inside, it's consistent throughout and really has a lot of character to it. Something that, the Las Vegas hotels used to have, but Montecasino still has that. So whether you're looking for a place to have a layover, or you've got a couple of extra nights and you want to be able to just relax either before or after your safari, before heading home, this is definitely an option to consider. With all the different restaurant options, there is everything from, there's a food court, which is actually quite stunning, and has everything from KFC to Nando's chicken to a Wimpy burger, which is sort of their national equivalent of like a McDonald's. And there's also some fancier restaurants, either inside and or outside in that plaza. So there's really something for everybody. So let's go and check out the casino area and all of its great looks.
Luck be a lady tonight. Luck be a lady tonight. Luck if you've ever been a lady to begin with. Luck be a lady tonight.
And before we go any further, I want to give a quick shout out to my niece Ashley, who works here, and her husband Ross, who works here. They are both experts at photography. Ross actually works at a camera store called Camera Stuff, and this is actually located in Johannesburg. And if you are interested in purchasing any film equipment while you are there, he can definitely help you out. He was speaking a language that I don't know, but they helped me with my studio lighting. So hopefully it looks a little bit better for you when you're watching. But also, if you need any advice for camera stuff, definitely chat with Ross or pop into his store, or you can send him a note. And if you are interested in doing a photo shoot, ladies, you can check out Ashley's website here, and she can definitely hook you up. So just want to give a quick shout out to them, and thanks you guys for helping me with my lighting. So you tell me, do you like the look of this casino? If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. And well, if you don't like the look at it, you feel free. Go ahead, give it a thumbs down. I'm okay with that. I prefer to hear your honest opinion. So thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video or you like the look of the hotel, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And we'll see you on the next one.